This is a climatogram for Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The blue bars represent the amount of rainfall throughout the year. As you can see, rainfall stays pretty consistent throughout the whole year. The green line represents temperature. A deciduous forest has its highest temperatures in July and then decreases in temperature. This is our food web for a deciduous forest. It shows consumers, producers, detrivores, and decomposers. The producers are the sunflower, the grass, the acorn, and the raspberries. The consumers are the mouse, cardinal, black bear, fox, weasel, Cooper's hawk, opossum, rabbit, snake, and bald eagle. The decomposer is the mushroom, and the detrivore is the earthworm. As you may know, if the arrow points to an animal, the energy is going to them. This is our list for the producers, decomposers, detrivores, and consumers that I just read off. Locations of the deciduous forest biome are spread out over the world. The map shows majority of the biome is located in the eastern half of North America, southeastern part of Canada, many parts of Europe, Eastern Asia, and the bottom area of Australia. One environmental factor in deciduous forests is development. Businesses and people look to expand into new areas, therefore, they build more buildings on undeveloped land that belongs to animals. Animal homes are destroyed, which results in decrease in a number of certain species. Hunting is also a factor that is not quite as serious. Recreational hunting is used as a hobby and destroys animals such as deer, elk, raccoon, fox, and bear. People may not realize it, but this fun may result in extinction. In the biome, there are many different symbiotic relationships. An example of mutualism is a fungus provides the plant with an increased ability to absorb nutrients and water and often offers disease resistance to the plant, while the fungus absorbs the plant's nutrients. An example of commensalism is moss or algae live on the bark of a tree. The tree is unaffected by this, and the moss and algae have a place to live. Conservation of the temperate deciduous forest is necessary yet difficult to do. Many humans care more about their personal needs than the necessities of Mother Nature. The trees in these forests have valuable timber that humans use for ships, houses, and furniture. Conservationists are striving to plant new trees and to encourage others to plant them as well. China's temperate deciduous forests are home to some of the world's endangered species. Conservation efforts in China are focused on protecting these forests, which leads to the protection of these animals. Conservation efforts have made a difference in the preservation of these forests. However, there is still a lot of work to be done, and the word needs to be spread. In deciduous forest biomes, there are cold to moderate winters, warm summers, year-round precipitation, and fertile soil. The average temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. Biomaterials from deciduous forests that are usable in everyday lives are wood that can be used for firewood or anything else and is cut down from the trees. Animals that are hunted by hunters are used for food, and berries are used for picking, and you can eat them. Some endangered species of the deciduous forest are the bald eagle, the spotted owl, and the gray wolf. The deciduous forest has 4 distinct seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. In the fall, the leaves change colors. During the winter months, the trees lose their leaves. And then, all the animals adapt to the changing seasons. When viewing our presentation, you may have become aware that the area we live in is included as part of the deciduous forest biome. We use this fact as an opportunity to observe and learn from our surroundings. In our own backyard, we were able to see features of a deciduous forest biome. The season, loss of leaves on certain trees, woodland atmosphere, deer, and raccoon at night indicate that this is, in fact, a deciduous forest. A few other familiar areas that fall under the category of the deciduous forest are the Jackson Bog and the area surrounding the towpath bike trails.